In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Mailchimp, a crucial skill for polishing your email campaigns and ensuring they are easy to read. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If this is your first time here today, simply enter your credentials to access the inner workings of your email marketing efforts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a dashboard filled with various tools and features. Your next stop is the campaign section. Here you have a couple of options. Either select an existing campaign if you have one lined up for editing, or you can choose to start fresh by creating a new campaign. Regardless of your choice, the next step is to click the Edit Design button, which will open up the email editor. This is where you can get creative and tailor your email message. Once you're in the editor, it's time to pinpoint exactly where the changes need to take place. Look for the text block you wish to edit. The text block is essentially the portion of your email that contains all your written content, so identifying the correct block is key for smooth transitions. After selecting the appropriate text block, you'll want to highlight the specific text you'd like to adjust. Highlighting ensures that any changes you make affect only the targeted text, maintaining the integrity of the rest of your design. Now direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll see various icons. Among them is the line height icon, typically symbolized by stacked lines, which represents spacing. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, giving you options to choose the line spacing that best fits your design. Depending on your preferences, you might want to select a preset spacing option, or you may prefer adjusting it manually using either percentage or specific number values. This flexibility allows you to customize the appearance of your text block precisely to your liking. Once you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with how the text looks, there's just one final step left, and that's to click Save and Close. This action ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and the changes you've made are preserved. Congratulations, you've adjusted the line spacing in your Mailchimp campaign, enhancing both the readability and aesthetic appeal of your email. By mastering these steps, you can transform your email campaigns into well-structured, professional-looking pieces that communicate your message effectively. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I trust it has empowered you to create more visually appealing emails. Happy emailing!